All right, so true, false here, and these are based on just the picture. So when we go into this, we know we're basically looking for vertical angles, reflexive property, possibly angles that make a straight line. All right, so let's look at what we got here. So it says ACB, which is that angle right there, is congruent to DCE, which is that angle right there, and then it says because vertical angles are congruent. That's a true statement. Vertical angles are congruent. So if these are actually vertical angles, then we're covered. All right, vertical angles are supposed to make an X, not a K, not anything like that. All right, they're supposed to make an X. Well, if you look at the lines that are forming the green and yellow angles, it's 100% an X. So this is true. And I would just write they form an X. All right, and I'm only going to use that to explain true, false. This has no use any other way other than just saying, yeah, that's Y. All right, or if I'm saying it's false, I could say that they don't actually form an X. So it allows me to kind of fit the picture to the true, false. All right, but please don't ever write they form an X as your reason in like a because. All right, don't say this is congruent to this because they form an X. That's not a thing that we use. This is especially limited to true, false.